Hi, this is my narrated video for the Mixed Designs ANOVA assignment. The first step to conduct this analysis is to go to Analyze, General Linear Model, Repeated Measures. Our within subject factor is going to be drinks, and that's going to have 3 levels, and then we're going to define those. We're going to drag all 3 of these variables into the within subjects variables. Sex is going to be the between subjects factors. We're going to go to plots. Drinks will be on the horizontal axis, and then sex will be on the separate lines. Click add. Chart type will be bar chart, and then we do want to include error bars. We're going to drag over all of those factors to display means for. Then we're going to compare main effects, and we want to conduct a Bonferroni test. Then for options, we're going to display descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, observed power, and then homogeneity tests. Then we'll click continue and then hit OK. So here are our results. The descriptive statistics here show that beer was rated the highest, particularly among females. If we look at Mauchly's test of sporicity, the significance value is 0.243, which is more than 0.05, so we can assume that the assumption of sporicity has been met. If we look at the Levine's test table, we can see that the assumption of homogeneity of variance has been met because the Levine's test was significant. All of the significant values were greater than 0.05. And then if we look at the multivariate test table, we can see that the main effect of type of drink was significant as the p-value was less than 0.05, and that tells us that regardless of the sex that the rating came from, the ratings of the 3 drinks significantly differed. And then we can also see that there was a significant main interaction between sex and type of drink on ratings, and then this tells us that the ratings of the 3 drinks significantly differed in females and males. And then if we look at the tests of between subjects effects table, we can see that there was a non-significant effect, main effect of sex, because the p-value was less than 0.05. And this tells us that regardless of the type of drink being rated, both sexes gave similar ratings. Next are my APA results of the analysis. Like I said before, there was a significant main effect of type of drink. There was not a significant main effect of sex, and then there was a significant main interaction between sex and type of drink on ratings. And then here is my clustered bar chart showing the effects of sex and type of drink. Lastly, these are the answers to the questions on the handout. The first question is, what are the independent variables and how many levels do they have? There are 2 independent variables, the type of drink and the sex of the participant. The type of drink has 3 levels, beer, wine, or water. The sex of the participant has 2 levels, male or female. What is the dependent variable? It's the rating or the attitudes towards the drinks. What analysis have I performed? A 2-way mixed design ANOVA. Has the assumption of sporicity been met? Yes. Mauchly's test indicated that the assumption of sporicity had been met. Report the main effect of type of drink in APA format. There was a significant main effect of type of drink. Report the main effect of sex. So there was not a significant main effect of sex. And then also comment on the assumption of homogeneity of variance. The assumption of homogeneity of variance has been met because the Levine's test was significant. And then report the interaction effect between sex and type of drink. There was a significant main interaction between sex and type of drink on ratings.